Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In the last 3 videos, what we have discussed is we have done with the registration, email verification, then login. The next step that we are going to go with, that is this is done, login done, register done, validate done, forgot password and the reset password. We are left with that one. So in this video we are going to learn about the forgot password. So let me check. The route is post forget password. Let's go to the function at the same time. So here this is the forgot password. So first we check validate forgot password input. Okay, what we required, that is email. Email is mandatory. If it is not there, then we are throwing the error that email field is required and email is valid if the email is not valid, right? So moving to the next part, validate. After the validation, if it is not valid, then throw the errors. Else we are checking the required.ball.email, find that email. If exist, if it is not exist, then throw the error email not found. If it is exist, then we are using the crypto to random string for the hex, right? Then we're generating the like you can say the random string to send to the email, and then after that it would validate first. Okay, so here we have by crypt, that one, and hash the user dot reset password token. Okay, after that we are going to send that email, right? So here we have, I think that reason this will not work, I guess, keys dot email. So we have defined the keys dot email. Where is keys dot email? Yes, it's defined. So I think we have to go with this part, I think, again, because that reason it will not work. So let me go and check the post here. Okay, so first we have go to be the postman. Then we, what are the functions that we are using? That is forgot password. So copy this and go to this one. This is a post request again. So here we go with the forgot password. Then we require the email for that. Okay, then try to send this email. Error, unexpected token review, unexpected token in the JSON. Which line number it is? Let me check. Hey, where it is? Where is this one? Unexpected. This one, login register backend module. Okay, unexpected token. That means the postman. This is not required, right? Send this one. Rajni 12. The reset email could not be sent. Why? There is an issue with this one, right? We have to fix this, that username and password. Okay, so you can see that. Go to here, this function, right? So this means issue is here. You can see that in which line it's going on. Let's have a look on that. Go to the users, go to the forgot password. So here, reset email could not be sent, please try again later, right? It will go over here, I think. Where is the postman? Reset password could not be sent, please try again later, because the email is not, because the just Gmail part is not working properly, right? So we have to copy paste the previous register part because there is a missing something. So here we go with the registration flow. Just use this one, this variables. Okay, so go with this one. So here users forgot password. So just add this here, variables. Save this and try to restart this application. Okay, so let's try to send again. Send. The reset email has been sent, please check your inbox. Okay, so let's go and check this one. Public invoice. Link to reset the password. So here we go with the reset link passwords, which we are going to learn in the next video. So first let me explain the code. So here you can see that we are sending the email. This is email code, right? So here we have the reset email, user email, link to reset password. So this is all about the text and the random string, right? Then we are going to send the email with the help of this one. Okay, here you can see that, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.